So we are back at preparing for the race number 2, Riga DeWalt GP. Riga GP, DeWalt GP. It's big for us. We have 8 cars on the grid, so it's a lot of stuff happening. It's good the cars are not crashed so far, so we are getting ready. We have to get some tires, we have to get some street cars for our Icelandic guys, so we go get them.
Let's go.
So yes, final touches for the livery. We had to replace some bumpers after the first round. That's it. Finished walk, fixed it on the bodywork, and now we add the missing stripes.
Good.
Yeah, that's it. Henry's working on some exhaust.
What's up, Henry? What are you up to?
Making the final exhaust for Jan's car for number 6. Yeah, making the tip, just the tip, not the full exhaust, just the tip.
We are not like really in a much of a stress. It's just we are ready.
All the big jobs are done.
Yes.
Just the small little details are left.
Yep. Exactly.
Super.
We are heading to our storage, which is on the other side of the town, and we are picking up tires for rain for Walters, as we are running Cup car this year, this event, and we are picking the slicks rain tires, racing rain tires for the Porsche GT3 Cup car, and I'm picking up a nice car for our Icelandic guys, for them to drive around the town. Turbo. So we got the car, we got the tires, back to the headquarters. So all the cars are loaded and ready, heading to the track, and we are here, and Honda's engine is already in. Now we just have to
button some things up.
and get it running.
Who the hell knows how this goes in? I forgot. But I think I figured it out. Think so.
It's going pretty quickly so far.
And that's when it all went wrong. Normal Latvian traditions.
Everyone watches what works.
Oh no, I'm in the splash zone.
35 psi.
One more PSI, please.
It's worked better than expected.
Yeah. Refill.
One more run.
Starting from this event, and from this, starting today, we're only using this. Yeah, they are huge in racing. You have seen them. Top drivers in N24. That's something we would want to be as well. So we are lucky to have them on board with us. From now on, we're all racing oils. We're going to be in all our engines and gearboxes and diffs and everywhere. So let's go. This is the first celebratory pour into the fresh, dramatic engine of the Honda. And yeah, we're doing no funnel gang. Yeah. Shout out to Jimmy Oaks.
It smells interesting.
Yeah, oh good.
So if this doesn't help the Honda lock, I don't think anything can.
Yeah, but anyhow, we haven't spoken about this engine. So this is the one we got in Belgium that was partially rebuilt. Well, it wasn't. We rebuilt it last night. There are some.
So this is the second engine from Belgium.
This is the second engine from Belgium, yeah. I saw the last one in previous episode. It was a heartbreak. Anyhow, this is now been reassembled from a mix of my old OEM parts of the first V16B and from this one.
But this will be a good engine.
This will be a good one.
The best one.
The best one. We're gonna build another one. This is a stock one. We will build another one. Make Honda great again. Let's build oil pressure. We have a bar of oil pressure. Do you have any leaks?
Doesn't look like it. Oil is topped up. Injectors are connected. Let's hear this baby purr.
It runs again. Happy. Has oil pressure. Doesn't have idle. But yeah.
I mean, there's no air filter on it.
Yeah, but still should have. But anyhow, I think that's something with the ignition, and now we need an ignition controller. Ignition timing till tomorrow, so we'll do that tomorrow. Yeah.
She runs.
She runs. Let's wait for the coolant to arrive and then just warm it up. Good job.
Honda.
I will sleep tonight. I will, actually.
Don't speak too soon.
Good morning.
How little have you slept?
A lot, but I feel like shit. I think the headache that I saved from the last 3 days came out to this morning. So that's why I'm here only a bit before 12. Anthony sent me a tune and I have to upload it and do the ignition and then test it. I'm tuning the car in Google Sheets. Tune done. Now ignition. Ja, maldito ja.